Okay, how does the TikTok algorithm work? What is the TikTok algorithm? Here's a really big shortcut, guys. So I have 1.4 million followers on TikTok. I've been doing it for 3 years. I get about 70 million views a month consistently. That's like kind of minimum. And there is no TikTok algorithm. So stupid. Oh my, there's no like TikTok, oh, this is the algorithm, and you fucking stroke its little algorithm, like, relax, dude. There is no, me telling you to relax. There is no algorithm. If you want to blow up on social media, you don't need to understand the algorithm. You need to make good videos. Obviously. Why would you say you want to become a basketball player and spend all your fucking time reading the fucking rules of basketball? Shoot the fucking ball. Then you'll be pretty good at basketball. Duh, idiots. But then all these fucking social media gurus who make bank off your dumbass going like, oh, well, what is the algorithm doing? Blah, blah, blah. No. The algorithm is not like, you don't need to like figure out the algorithm to post before you fucking do something, okay? The algorithm isn't gonna be the thing that makes you blow up on social media. You figuring out how the fuck to post on social media is gonna be what makes you blow up on social media. I love talking about this shit because I talk about this on my LinkedIn. Bro, people are out here getting bent over about social media. You think that you need to have fucking a hook and a bladder and all this bullshit to make a good social media video? No. You know how you should make a good social media video is? What are your 5 favorite videos ever that you think that you could maybe do? Boom, do them. Nobody owns content. The TikTok algorithm. Yeah, there's like this algorithm update, and like, there's like this update with the algorithm, and all of a sudden, like, my videos are doing worse because the algorithm. No, your videos suck. Your videos suck. Oh, I'm stuck at 200 views. Yeah, your videos suck. They suck. They suck dick. Your videos suck dick. I'm only getting 100 views. Yeah, because your videos suck dick, obviously. Make better videos. You see people out there doing what you're doing better than you. Do what the fuck they do. People steal my shit all the time. I'm trapped at 200 views. I think this new hashtag, you gotta be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. Here's a little help for that. First of all, put captions on your videos. I don't even do that. Put captions on your videos. There, at least you're getting people at least more visually engaged than whatever bullshit you're posting, but you're stuck at 5 views. And I have no remorse like talking shit about social media because like I went through it and everybody just gives me excuses. I'm shadow banned. I'm shadow banned. Oh my God, I'm shadow banned. Your videos blow dick. I'm shadow banned. No, it's a horrible, horrible video. You're posting horrible, horrible videos. This is you. Get ready with me to go to the mall. I like the mall. I smiled. Together, we're happy. Goodbye. Like what? Stupid. This is, oh my God, I want to start social media. I have this really good idea. Do the fucking idea. Why are you telling me about it? You're going to post the idea, and if it's such a grand idea, it's going to do really well, and hopefully everybody sees it. Woohoo! Everybody sees it. Stupid. Oh my God. That's like when I look at like sponsored posts for a brand, like I know there's somebody running the social media. I'm like, you are so bad. So here's another tip. Don't take advice from anyone whose videos you don't like, or take advice from people who don't even do social media. Yeah, but they're like a consumer of it. Okay, you will then only have that little consumer's perspective. You need to like be your own fucking wave. Oh, I really want to pick a niche. No, you don't. No, you don't. You don't need to pick a niche. Actually, you don't need to pick a niche. Actually, make whatever the fuck video you want. You know why? Because people are more multidimensional than whatever fucking niche that they like put a box on themselves. Like I am now a fucking stupid. What is this? Rehearsal. I can't even go to that. Fucking A. Fucking stupid. I bet nobody else is saying this shit on the internet because it's not brand friendly. It's not brand friendly. Fuck you. Fuck you. I bet you I won't even get monetized to this video. To hell with it. To hell with it. Oh my God. Yeah, but like my edits, like I make really good edits, but like I get 10 likes. Doesn't sound that fucking good. 10 likes. Doesn't sound that good. Yeah, but like my followers. Bitch, you have 3,000 followers. You don't have followers. Okay, cool. Yeah, yeah. Nice. But my followers are, my followers really like, you know what is the dumbest thing that somebody will do on social media? Oh my lardy. The dumbest thing somebody will do on social media is they will post a video. Okay, let's say they have a video blow up 100,000 views, 500,000, million views, 10 million views. Wow. Okay, good for you. That's awesome. They will not post. Maybe they'll do that. They never take social media seriously. Maybe they'll have maybe you have this old viral video from a year ago, and now you want to start posting on social media. Why the fuck are you making a video why are you trying to ride that video's coattail a year later? Why are you like, oh my God, this video blew up a year ago, like I need to make like a response video? No, nobody remembers you. You can make a video that gets 20 million views and nobody will give a flying fuck. It's not about who made the best video right now. It's about who makes the best videos every single day. Can you make really good videos every single day? Your numbers will tell you that. Nobody needs to I don't need to look at your thing. You can look at your things and be like, oh, I got 30 views for these 15 videos. Oh, probably a shitty video. Maybe stop doing that fucking video. Maybe format it differently. Maybe throw captions on it. Maybe, you know what I mean? Just fucking so much free game. And I'm honestly glad I didn't look up how to blow up on social media when I wanted to blow up on social media, because I would have had so many fucking idiots telling me all this dumb shit. If you have, it's like, oh my God, some people are so bad at it, dude. Some people have social medias telling people how to blow up on social media, and they have 30,000 followers. Hey, pizza guy, can you do my taxes? Hey, pizza guy, can you do my taxes, pizza guy? Hey, pizza guy. Hey, lawyer, can you bake me a pie? It's a really important pie. Can you bake me a pie? That's what you're doing. That's what you're doing. And you're not posting enough. No shot you're posting enough. I'm already big on TikTok. I posted twice on TikTok yesterday because I spent 13 hours filming a fucking show, and I only got to post twice on TikTok. I actually am feeling like a failure today. I'm like, really slacked. Really fucking blew it. I really just blew it. You're not posting enough. I'm bigger than you, and I'm still outposting you. You might have made 2 videos this week. Wait. Come on, guys. Come on. I'm going to launch some fucking I'm gonna launch some community and I'm gonna tell everyone how to fucking blow up on social media. And you know what? Everyone's gonna get a fucking head start because it's gonna be everyone in there. You guys will have a fucking head start of you being like, hey guys, just post this video. Everyone go like, boom. You have 100 people in a fucking community liking and commenting and sharing, and you're all fucking doing that with each other, and everyone just, I didn't have that fucking head start. What's another great way to blow up on social media? Talk about current events. Talk about current events. Taylor Swift, Travis Kelce, boom. Boom, video. Make a fucking video about it. Well, I don't know. Don't be fucking, don't be so corny too. There's enough corny content. There's enough people that suck at social media that you can either join them at also making horrible, sucky videos, or you can just make whatever the fuck you want to make, and maybe you are someone that people can relate to, and they will start fucking with you, and it will blow you up on social media. That's all. That's all. Dude, private coaching, DM me on Instagram, Carrington USA. Yeah, DM me for private coaching if you want to actually blow up on social media. I'm going to figure out how to fucking do this whole fucking thing. That's how you fucking do it. I understand social media better than anyone else. You can look on my LinkedIn. I posted my analytics once from like a month ago, and they still look fucking amazing. Whatever. I talk my shit because I back it up. So that's where I go. I'm not going to tell you how to do your fucking taxes, but I will tell you that I know shit about TikTok, and that's how to do it. Yeah. I love you guys. Be the person you wish you had. Got a bit fired up today because I was at the gym at like 5 a.m., but I'm just a fucking tank like that. Yeah, I need to start teaching people how to do this shit. Dude, you guys are being fucking lied to. This is hilarious, okay? Don't listen to anyone else except me, because I'm fucking genius on social media. Obviously, I'm a genius on social media. Okay, I love you guys. Be the person you wish you had. Bye-bye. I had a website.